A wave is a transfer of energy in all different sizes in the form of a disturbance from one place to another. A pulse is a wave with a single disturbance or bump. Periodic waves or continuous waves are waves with regular or periodic disturbances. Frequency is the number of crests, waves that pass a point per unit time. Period is the time for a wave or two successive crests to pass by a point in space.
Amplitude is the distance from a crest or trough to the resting position. The greater the amplitude, the greater the energy transferred by the wave.
The crest is the top of the wave, while the trough is the bottom of the wave.
Wavelength, or lambda, is the length from one crest or trough to the next crest or trough, or of the repeating unit of the wave.
Wave velocity, or v, can be found by using each of these three formulas, depending on which units you are given. Electromagnetic
Waves,
like
microwaves,
do
not
need
a
medium,
while
mechanical
waves
like
those
in
the
ocean
do.
The motion of particles in a wave can either be perpendicular to the wave direction, which is transverse, or parallel to it, which is longitudinal.
While wavelengths of transverse waves are measured from crest to crest or trough to trough, longitudinal wavelengths are measured from compression to compression or rarefaction to rarefaction.
Compressions are the regions of the wave where particles are closer together. Rarefactions are the regions of the wave where particles are well separated.
But Grayson, what happens when two waves meet?
Settle down, Brendan. We'll get there.
When two waves meet, the displacement is the sum of each wave's amplitude, causing constructive interference or destructive interference.
Destructive interference occurs when two waves meet and their amplitudes subtract and the amplitude is zero. Once the waves collide, their amplitudes cancel and they continue to move in their original direction.
Constructive interference occurs when two waves meet and their amplitudes combine, thus creating a greater one. As the two waves meet, their amplitudes combine and then they continue in the same direction.